So my dog uh, politely brought me over my remote. Really sweet, right? I'm thinking he wants to watch TV, something like that. Then I turned the remote around, only to see that there are no batteries. And now I'm wondering where the batteries are because I can't find them. I'm hoping and praying he didn't swallow these batteries. Is this how we gotta spend Monday? Meanwhile, this one here gets on my lap. Just look at her. Oh, okay. But any other time, she wants to push my love away. Monday is stressing me out already. Okay, bye.